Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Your Trading Friend. Today I am going to share you one of my favorite strategy on Bank Nifty options selling strategy. This strategy is best suited for working professional because this strategy will not take more than 2 minutes to place the order. And once you place the order, you can go back to your work or you can relax for the day. And in this video, I'll also be sharing you the back tested Excel which I have done for this strategy, and along with the back tested Excel, I will also share you one simple logic why I have chosen this strategy. Logic is very simple, but people have made it very complex, and they have confused themselves, and they have in turn confused the entire trading community. Coming to the logic, as soon as the market opens, you can say like end of the day market can go up, down, or sideways. Considering the equal probability, the market can be like 30% up, 33% up, 33% down, and 33% sideways. So if you do buy every day, market is already giving you 33% of the winning trades, but we are not taking it due to lack of knowledge or lack of confidence or lack of winning psychology. We keep on changing the strategy, and end of the day or end of the month we will be again in losses. So we have to stick to a strategy for long time to get good results. So what I'm trying to say here is, in my strategy I am taking mainly concentrating on the sideways. Okay, and I am also taking the flavor of market going up and market going down. Okay, with which can show you like winning trades will come up to 70-75%. Coming to the strategy, keep an alarm at 9:20, log into your trading terminal, add Bank Nifty index to your watch list, and see whether Bank Nifty spot chart. If yesterday's candle open price is greater than the close price, then sell ATM call today. That is, if yesterday candle is red, then sell call at the money option, and if yesterday's candle is green, sell at the money put option today. That's it. Once you place the order, keep a stop loss of 150 points or max 4% loss for the day, and the target will be end of the day whatever market gives, we will take it. I'll show you that in charts. Yes, so I'll explain you for a month. Consider Feb 1st. Okay, it was a budget day and we got a very huge rally. And the next day, as per our strategy, we expect the next day also candle will be green, and we are going to short put today, and it is green. Yes, you can see green, green, green. Continuous greens will give you definitely very good returns. And here from 8th Feb till 12th Feb, you can see market is sideways or red. Both will give you advantage. Sideways market also will give you advantage because of theta decay. Since we are option sellers, that will also give you good winning trades. And again, green, it is also giving you profits, and big red after a green. This will give you loss. This is a losing trade. And again, there is a red rally, we are going to benefit here. This will be on 24th Feb. Again we will be losing because previous day was red. So on guys, this is the strategy. Definitely it will give you around 70-75% of the winning trades every month or every quarter on an average. I will show you the back tested Excel also. I'll just put a formula. If yesterday open price is greater than close price, then it will be red, else it will be green, right? So similarly I will put a formula for today. If today's, that is 2nd Jan, open price is greater than close price, then candle will be red, else it will be green, right? So if Yesterday is red, we expect today also to be red. That is short put, but we are getting green. So I'll mark it as a false trade or a losing trade. Yes. So I'll just copy paste this formula for the entire year. So whatever are the true are the winning trades, because red red or green green all will be winning trades, because if yesterday is red, we expect today also to be red and we trade accordingly, we do short call. Similarly, it will be true. I'll just filter with the true trades or the winning trades. We will get around 135 winning trades, right? So this is out of 250 trades, we are getting almost 135, which is more than 50%. And also I can bet you, out of this false trade, definitely we are going to have sideways market. I'll show you in charts. Yeah, you can consider here on 10th Feb and 11th Feb. 11th Feb is a losing trade as per our backtested Excel, but there is no much movement on the 11th Feb. We expect it to go down, but it has not gone up more. So we can expect the 11th Feb as a sideways market, and during 11th Feb we are going to benefit from the theta decay. Trust me guys, more the out of this losing trade, 50% of the trades will be sideways, so that will add up again to our winning trades. So I can tell you from my experience, out of 250 trading days, definitely around 180 days will be winning trades. So that will constitute about 75% around of the winning trades, which is very very good returns, good results for any strategy. Okay, so this is about strategy back tested file. And please mail me on my mail id yourtradingfriend@gmail.com if you need this backtested Excel. Also, if you have any clarification related to strategy, you can always mail me or chat me in Gmail. Soon I'll be sharing you my WhatsApp number as well. You can directly contact me on that number. Next, your trading trend is today. I have partnered with Allies Blue. If you still not have opened the account, you can use this link to open. You will get benefits from my side as well. The same link will also be available in the description of the video. Finally, do subscribe to my channel. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more and more information on the channel. Uh, and also this channel is basically for educational purpose, and more and more educational concepts or anything related to stock market. If you need information, you can